to another video. काफ़ी टाइम से मुझे सारे लोग कह रहे थे कि आप हिजाब ट्यूटोरियल बनाएं, आप हिजाब ट्यूटोरियल बनाएं, तो मैंने कहा मैं हिजाब ट्यूटोरियल तो पहले बना चुकी हूँ, एंड देन दे एक्सप्लेन कि हमें दुपट्टे वाला हिजाब ट्यूटोरियल चाहिए. सो आई एम गोना डू दैट दिस वीक. आई एम गोना शो यू सम वेज हाउ यू कैन कन्वर्ट अ दुपट्टा into a hijab. So let's start. Okay, so this is the dupatta I have. That is all folded up in the front like I showed you, and I'm gonna pin it up in the front first ताकि I can show you the rest. Okay, so the dupatta is all like this. Okay, so it's very long, so I'm gonna show you how to wrap it out. Acha, first taking this, you just like this, and then you take the other pallu and put it over your head like this. Just fix the loops around here and the placement of the dupatta here, and after this long pallu जो रह गया है, put it under the first loop like this. Okay, so it looks like एक loop यहाँ जा रहा है, एक loop यहाँ जा रहा है. I'm gonna pin it up now. From here, take in all the ends so it doesn't come out, and then taking these pins, I'm gonna pin the top. Okay, so it looks like this. पता नहीं किधर जानी थी. Okay, so this is the number one style. Let me fix it. Now it's perfect. Let's go for the style number 2 with the dupatta. Style number 2 is a little bit different. मैंने दुपट्टे को, so this is the dupatta I have. That is all. And then I'm gonna take it at the back, जो length है, and I'm gonna pin it at the back. And I lost the pin inside my hair. Okay, it's done. Okay, now that I look like Conjuring ki villain ghost, I'm gonna bring the dupatta from the side and pin it very tightly ताकि वो हिले जुले. And then I'm gonna take the rest of the dupatta, उसका वही मैं edge थोड़ा सा fold ही रखूँगी, and then I'm gonna bring it to the front, take it back up again. ये थोड़ा मैं टाइट रखूँगी ताकि गर्दन छुप जाए, and all the halal brigade people can calm down. Okay, so tuck the extras back, put it on your head like this, and then जो एक और loop बचा है, let's also take it back like this. आराम से, very nicely. Pin it at the top. This is for थोड़ा सा people with oval faces rather than round faces. I have a round face, so this doesn't really suit me a lot. लेकिन जिनका थोड़ा सा pointed मुंह होता है with a bigger face area, उन पे ये काफ़ी suit करता है. My friend used to do it and she used to look gorgeous. I'm gonna pin her on the side and the other side, and I'm basically done. So this looks like this. You can also wear earrings with this because it also gives you like that freedom. This from the back. Oh, sorry, ouch, sorry, wait. Okay, I'm gonna show you थोड़े आराम से. This looks like this. And, okay, let's do the look number 3. Before I start with the actual scarf, let me show you कि दुपट्टे को कैसे fold करना है. मैंने स्कार्फ उतार दिया अगला ट्यूटोरियल बनाने के लिए, तो मुझे याद आया कि मैंने ये बताना था, probably I shouldn't have done that. So what you do is, I'm going to stand up to show you. This is the dupatta, right? I'm going to fold it in half like this. So it's like a giant square. And then what I'm going to do is, I'm going to fold it like this again, in a triangle shape. So it becomes a one giant triangle. So with this, let me show you what to do. I'm gonna pin it up here. Before I start with the actual scarf, like what? Like this. I pin it up like this and I look like कायदा पढ़ के मैं अभी सिपारा पढ़ने जा रही हूँ का हिसाब से. But I'm gonna turn it into adult version like this. So now this is done. कोना, what you do is कोना नहीं है, काफी डिपेंडेंट वाला डिमेंटेड चीज है, कोना नहीं लगता किसी भी एंगल से, but still let's pretend it's a कोना and take it on your head. Of course, where else would you take it? And pin it here like don't stab your head. Okay, now that that's stabbed, take the other pallu and the kona of your hijab and slightly bade pyar se put it on your shoulder and pin it over here. Okay, this is one of the most concise and simplest ways to wear a hijab without having that volume wala dupatta, because this looks very nice. Now let me show you how it looks. Even I'm not sure पीछे से कैसे लग रहा है क्योंकि मेरी आंखें पीछे लगी हुई, but ओहो क्या हो सकता है. Okay, so this was the third design, hijab style. Yeah, hijab style with the dupatta. So comment below what you think and tell me what else you want me to make videos about, and I'll do that because I am awesome and I like you guys. So give me a thumbs up, comment below and subscribe to my channel. See you next week. Ignore this, please. Bye. So now this is done. What you do is you take this wala side जो कि